A federal judge in New Hampshire halted enforcement of Trump's executive order aimed at ending birthright citizenship, protecting all U.S.-born children, including those of undocumented parents. Judge Joseph LaPlante certified the lawsuit as a class action case, allowing the order to apply nationwide despite recent Supreme Court limits on broad judicial blocks. The move follows a Supreme Court suggestion as an alternative to nationwide injunctions, showing strategic legal adaptation aligned with SCOTUS guidance. It's a clever move by the judge. LaPlante, a George W. Bush appointee, stated the plaintiffs are likely to succeed in arguing the executive order violates the Constitution's 14th Amendment. The judge stayed or delayed his ruling for 7 days, giving the Trump administration time to appeal and setting up another round of legal confrontation. This conversation is as polarized as it gets. You have people that say, if you are here illegally, you should have no fruits of the nation. And there are others that say, we want a world without borders. You have the right to exist. You have the right to live. But I want to bring up where birthright citizenship actually exists. If you look at this map, it resides only in the Western Hemisphere. I believe there are 2 countries in Africa that allow it. And it's split down the middle. The rule of the land or the rule of the blood. In Latin, jus soli or jus sanguinis. Countries like Germany, France, Italy, the United Kingdom, Spain, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Japan, South Korea, China, Egypt, Morocco, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Australia, New Zealand, they do not offer birthright citizenship. The United States are actually the unique ones. And that's come to be our MO, why we are part and parcel leaders in the world. We do things differently. We innovate. And if at the very least, we are one of the most progressive. Just a bit of a further explanation. While there are many countries that don't offer birthright citizenship, there are restrictions or conditionalities. A country like Germany or France, if at least one parent is a German citizen at the time of the child's birth, the child is typically a German citizen by descent, regardless of where the child is born. However, if the child is born in Germany to foreign parents, they can acquire German citizenship at birth if one parent has legally resided in Germany for a certain period of time, usually 5 years. So although this topic is bringing about much angst in society as to whether we should allow it or not, it is in our Constitution on one hand. On the other, the overwhelming majority of the world does not have this law. As to where I stand, I do believe people have the right to live, and I believe many of the lines that are drawn on this planet are as arbitrary as anything else. Let me know your thoughts.